dears. Today I'm going to show you how to make the alphabet O. O for orange. I'm using an orange yarn too, and it's a 4-ply yarn, and I'm using the 4mm hook. Hope you can see the number on that, on the hook, and a tapestry needle, and a scissor. And I wanted to show you one more thing. My granddaughter, she gave me this rubber which looks like a small fort, a little fort. She said I could keep my crochet hooks in this cute little fort. See, all fitting into it. This 10mm I use for making amigurumis. Just for fun. So let's start our work. Slip knot and make 30 chains. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
28, 29 and 30. And then we slip stitch into the first chain of the chains, and then we chain 2, and after that we make 2 double crochets into the next chain. Then into the next chain we make 1 double crochet. So we made a set of 1 double crochet. This 2 chain counts as 1 double crochet. Then we made 2 double crochets in one chain, and then 1 double crochet in the next chain, and then again we make 2 double crochets into the next chain. 1 and 2. Then we make another 1 double crochet. So 1 set, 2 set, and the third set. Now making third set of 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the next chain. Now we have 3 sets of 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Now we will make 8 double crochets in a row continuously. So start making 8 double crochets. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, So we made 8 double crochets into the next chain, next 8 chains. Then we make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, again 1 in the next, then 2 in the next, 2 double crochets into the next, then 1 double crochet into the next, then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then 1 so after the 8th we started 2 1 2 1 that way, so 2 1 2 1 2 and 1. So we already made 3 sets of 1 2 1 2 double crochets in a row. Now we make double crochets into the next 1
2 3 4 5 6 7
into the remaining. Eight, 9, and 10. So here I had already made one to show you. Now I brought it here. So this, now I can just slip stitch into the first chain of the 2 chains that we had made earlier, and you can fasten off, and your O letter is done. Cut this yarn, or you can even tuck it in if you want. And here you are. Just neaten it, and your O is done. Go for orange, the 15th letter of the alphabet series. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe,
comment and share.